This isn't a real video of my co-founder. It's his perfect digital double, created with EdgeCut AI from just a handful of photos.
I needed to be in 5 different locations for a shoot this week. The travel budget, not so much.
So we built his @me avatar. You upload your reference shots, lock the element, and the AI trains on a portrait photo.
A morning walk through a serene Japanese garden, a strategy session in a downtown high-rise, a quiet moment in an art gallery.
The key is perfect, multi-shot consistent every single time. It's not a filter, it's your own digital twin, ready for any script. Ready to create your own AI actor?
Get started with EdgeCut AI at the link in the description.
My AI twin is handling all my conference calls now. He just asked for a raise. Should I be worried?